Hi everyone, I'm Natalia and today we are going to make a headband. It is the perfect way to use up leftover yarn, or if you don't like wearing hats or beanies, this crochet project will be perfect for you too. You will need yarn. The best choice is wool, so your ears don't get cold. I have Drops Nepal here. Of course, you will also need a crochet hook. Use the hook recommended for the yarn. For Drops Nepal, it is 5mm. The width and the length of the headband will depend on the size of the crochet hook you use. So if you use a different one than me, you may need to make a different number of chain stitches and rows. You will also need some stitch markers to mark the edges of your work so you don't get lost. And these are all the material, so here is the yarn, scissors, crochet hook, tapestry needle and stitch markers. To start, we need to make a slip knot. Take the yarn, place it on your hand in such a way, then wrap it around your fingers, place it on the outside of your hand and hold it with your last finger. Insert the hook here and pull the thread. And this is our slip knot. I'm gonna show you one more time how to make it. So hold the yarn, place it on your hand, wrap it around your fingers, place it on the outside of your hand and hold it with your last finger. Then insert the crochet hook here and pull the thread. Now it's time to make chain stitches. Make enough chain stitches to cover your ear. For me, it's 10. To make a chain, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on your hook. Again, yarn over and pull through the loop on your hook. So I'm gonna do 10 chain stitches. After making 10 chain stitches, make an additional chain stitch. It will not count as a stitch. It is a turning chain. In this tutorial, we will use a half double crochet in the back loop. We will work the first row in the third loop of our chain. It is located at the back of the chain. These are the third loops. This is the front of the chain. Turn it over and the third loops are at the back. This is where we will insert the hook. Yarn over, we insert the hook into this loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And this is our first half double crochet. If you're a beginner, I recommend marking them so you don't get confused at the end of the row. And we continue working in this way. I'm gonna show you again. Yarn over. This is the next loop we insert the hook into. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. I'll show you how to do it again one more time. So yarn over, insert the hook into the third loop, pull the yarn through. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. We continue working in this way until the end of the chain. Now count to see if you have the correct number of stitches in the row. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Insert the hook into the first stitch, not into the chain because it does not count. We will be making half double crochets in the back loop. So yarn over, insert the hook into the middle of the stitch, under the loop at the back. Yarn over, pull through the loop. We have 3 loops on the hook again. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And this is another edge stitch, so we mark it again. Now I'm gonna show you again. Insert your hook into the loop that are at the back. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the loop at the back. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. I will show you again how to start a row. We make chain 1, turn your work. This is a chain stitch, so it doesn't count as a stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. I'm gonna show you again, these are our back loops. So again, yarn over, insert the hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. We will continue working this way until we achieve the desired length of our headband. We have already completed 2 rows, so we need to complete 46 more rows. Later, I will show you how to adjust the length of the headband if, for example, you are working with a different yarn. To check if your headband is the right length, place it on your head like this, stretch it tightly, and the shorter edges should meet at the top of your head. Once you have made the required number of rows, you need to sew the headband together. Choose which side will be your right side and which will be your left side. We will sew the band on the left side. First, wave the end from the starting chain like this. Now we can also cut off your yarn, so insert your hook into the loop, chain one, cut the yarn and pull it through. Remember to leave a long tail for sewing. Now grab both edges of the headband and fold them so that one end is halfway across the other edge. Fold it like this and fold the other half like this. When sewing, remember that you have to go through each layer. Insert the needle here and pull it through each layer. So we have 4 layers here. Now, on the other side, insert the needle next to it and pull it through each layer again. After sewing, it is very important to secure the threads. I do it this way. Then it's time to wave the end. Turn the headband right side out and you will see that it has twisted like this. So actually that's it, your headband is now ready. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. If you have any problems, feel free to ask. I also invite you to subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow, reach more people and create more tutorials for you. See you next time!